How to install MS Office for free? We will break down the whole procedure into 3 parts. First of all, we will create a configuration file. So let's start. So open up your browser and search for this particular term, config office. And here you will see the first result, config.office.com. You need to tap on that. It will guide you to the configuration office homepage. Scroll down. Here you will see option create a new configuration. Tap on create. Here you will get a list of options from which you need to select and configure a particular desired configuration of which kind of office you need. We must be aware of the architecture which we are using, 32 or 64. Like I have selected 64 here. There are multiple versions also available. Let me choose the standard 2019. You can also opt for Visio if you wish to. Visio 2019, 2016 both are available here. Well, I suggest to skip these things. Come to the update channel here, 2019 Enterprise. I wish to install the latest version, that's why I have selected latest. And here is the list of the apps in the apps tab. I am going to exclude OneDrive and OneDrive Desktop. Tap on next. Now here we need to select the language. I am selecting English, United States. If we wish, we can also install some additional languages, but I think it's not necessary. Now installation option. You must select the CDN, Content Delivery Network, and just make sure to turn on the show installation to user. Now tap on next. Turn off this option, uninstall any MSI version. Tap on next. Accept the license terms. And within the product key tab, make sure you are having the screenshot of this particular key because it's the primary key by which your Office installation get activated. Select user base and leave all the options as it is. Scroll down more, tap on next. You can skip all these things. Next, application preferences. You can also skip. Tap on finish. So now we need to export this file. Tap on export here. Select the second option, Office Open XML formats. So we are going to download an XML file which is like a blueprint of the desired configuration. Now you can see I have downloaded this file, configuration.xml. Now we need to create a new folder in our root system, which is local disk C. Here I will create a folder named Office and I will paste here the configuration file which I have downloaded from the config office website. Okay, now minimize. Step 2, downloading the deployment tool. So to do that, you need to search for config office deployment tool and scroll down. You will see a result from Microsoft.com. Open that web page. Scroll down and you will see Office Deployment Tool. Select the language English and download it. After downloading it, just open the folder. Just tap twice on the downloaded file. Accept the Microsoft software license terms. And here you will ask you for the designated folder in which you want to extract the files. I will again select local disk C, but now this time I will create another folder, Office. So files have been extracted successfully. We now need to close our browser. Go to this PC, local disk C, and now try to access the folder which we have created later. Now navigate to the second folder which we have created from the name Office. Okay, here it is the folder. Here you can see a file named Setup. Copy it and paste it to the Office folder which we have created earlier. Okay, so we have also completed the second task. Now it's time for task 3. So friends, before moving to task 3, just copy the path Like now I'm copying the current folder's path. Let me show you something. Like the folder size is around 7.11 MB. Press Windows button and search for the CMD. Here you will see command prompt. You need to run it as an administrator. After that, type cd and the copied path. You can also right click and paste it. You need to type setup/download configuration.xml. Now, just after hitting enter, the files from the content delivery network is started downloaded to your PC and the installation begin silently. Here it is. Now we need to minimize the folder and keep refreshing. Here you will see the first folder named Office created just after hitting enter. And friends, make sure you have a internet connection with good speed because it will cost us around 2 to 2.5 GBs. Okay. Here you will see multiple folders are getting created inside that particular Office folder. And the size of this Office folder will increase simultaneously. And the size of this folder also increases. So right now, wait for a pop-up like the installation of Microsoft Office. Here you can see a new window telling us about the installation of Office. And we just need to minimize the CMD window and wait for the installation. So friends, it was all about the installation. Thanks for watching Counting Bytes.